Hello, greetings mga ka-Sky Watchers and mga ka-Spacers natin out there from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And sa lahat po ng ating mga ka-Sky Watchers and mga ka-Spacers na nakatutok po ngayon sa ating online telescope viewing of the sun worldwide and netwide. Magandang araw po. This is your ka-Sky Watcher and ka-Spacer, Sir Jun Cahigal. And welcome to another of our online telescope viewing. This time we are viewing on screen our sun. And makikita po sa ating solar image, may mga large group of sunspots. Mga sunspots po, these are magnetic storms emanating from the sun's photosphere. Ang photosphere po is the visible surface of the sun. Ayan po, no? So, very fascinating indeed. And I am using a Vixen Super Polaris R130S reflecting telescope that is equipped with a Baader solar filter. Ayan. So, ano lang po, never look at the sun directly at talagang masusunog at masisira ang inyong mga mata. My telescope is equipped with a solar filter, so that we can observe and enjoy the sun safely. Alright, so we can see here several large group of sunspots. And again, like what I mentioned earlier, these sunspots are magnetic storms emanating in the sun's photosphere. Ayan, so in a few minutes po, i-magnify natin yung image natin so that we can observe these sunspots in greater detail. But before that, please like and share this video, no, so that we could reach more people, especially sa mga estudyante natin out there, so that they would be engaged and they would be inspired to love the sciences. Ayan, and don't forget po to subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Science Guy, Professor Jun Cahigal. Please subscribe and click on that notification bell so that you would be updated on our future online telescope viewings. Ayan po, so again, today is August 17, 2024. Mag-aalas 12 na rin po ng hapon, ng tanghali. And again, we are observing the sun with these large group of sunspots. And again, I am using a Vixen Super Polaris R130S reflecting telescope na may solar filter, a Baader solar filter. Okay, so let's magnify now the image of our sun para makita natin yung mga sunspots in greater detail. Okay, ayan, no? Alright, so kung mapapansin po ninyo, ito, this is a, ginigitna ko po, this is a large sunspot. Ang mga sunspots po like this one, they are even bigger than our planet. Ayan po, and mapapansin niyo there is a light outer region. Ayan po. So, yung light outer region na yan, that's the penumbra, and yung darker central region is the umbra. Yan. So, napakalaki nitong sunspot na to. Fascinating. Ito din, meron pa. Yan. Yan. Medyo natatakpan ng ulap yung nandito. Yan, mayroon pa banda dito eh. Yan, ito lang yung kaya ng camera ko. Yan. Ito, dalawang to, malaki to. Ayan, oh. Yung nasa baba, malaki talaga. Ayan. So please comment down below po kung ano po ang inyong comment sa ating solar imaging. So again, today is August 17. Tatanghali na po. Magta-12 na rin ng tanghali. And again, I am using a Baader solar filter na naka-attach po sa telescope ko. Ayan. Alright, so shoutout po sa mga nakatutok po sa atin ngayon. And shoutout po sa aking mga volunteers from the Skywatcher Society of Las Piñas. Mamaya po meron po kaming free public telescope viewing at Robinson's Place, Las Piñas. So mamayang gabi yun, August 17. Yan, at Robinson's Place, Las Piñas. So free public telescope viewing po yan. So pag clear ang sky, we will be observing the moon. Alright. And shoutout din po sa mga bago kong officers ng Vedan Society of Young Astronomers. Ayan, no? So ito may mga sunspots din dito. Ayan, near the edge ng image. Ayan. Alright. Yan po mga ka-Skywatchers, comment lang po kayo. Yan, nag-comment lang po kayo. Nasa gitna po tayo ng kalsada. Yan, we are having this live stream, live and alive po sa gitna ng kalsada sa Las Piñas. Ayan po, tostado na ako. Alright, so siguro let's return the image sa kanyang normal size. Okay po, so ayan po yung ating solar imaging today. So August 17, 2024. So sana marami po kayong natutunan and sana na-amaze po kayo sa ating solar imaging. Again po, plugging lang po, no, so mamayang gabi po, again August 17, meron po kaming free public telescope viewing at Robinson's Place, Las Piñas. Ayan mo. So, again, we are viewing here the sun with large group of sunspots. Alright, so this is your Kaspacer, Skywatcher, and Space Commander, Sir Jun Cahigal, saying live long and prosper. And always remember to always keep your space and always keep looking up. Sige po, napakainit na po. Okay, bye-bye. See you on our next online telescope viewing. Kita-kits po sa Robinsons later. Bye-bye.